How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to stop overeating and binging. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. The easiest way to stop overeating and binging is to make sure that you are eating healthy foods and tracking your calories. Hands down, this is the best tip if you want to avoid overeating and binging. I also recommend that you limit as much stress as possible. Generally, people, and myself included, eat when we are stressed out, and a lot of that happens at nighttime, and that's why you binge eat. So if you are looking to avoid this, limit as much outside stress as you can. I also recommend that you start meditating or doing yoga. These are some of the best ways to really calm down and calm your mind. I highly recommend giving these a try. Trust me, they will help you out. Another tip is to avoid overeating, is to make sure that you have a healthy snack ready at nighttime or during the day when you are about to overeat. I do this all the time. I'm very bad at overeating and binging at night. I'm getting better. I've stopped recently. But one thing that I did do is make sure you have a couple of, let's say, mandarin oranges ready at night. That way, if you do wake up and you're super starving, you can have a couple and it really won't do anything to your calories. Mandarin oranges, 2 small oranges, have only about 50 calories in them for both oranges. You can also have a little bit of vegetable, a little bit of Greek yogurt ready. All that stuff, good, healthy calories. It's not really going to add to your calorie total. That is better than as opposed to getting up and eating half a bag of chips. That right there will put you 600 calories in. That will make you, as opposed to being in a deficit, being at your maintenance. That's why people don't lose weight. So again, eat those calories, but eat small calories, low calories at night. That's your best bet. By saving those 700 calories, this is the difference between, again, being in a calorie deficit or just being at maintenance. Those are the tips that I recommend if you guys are looking to stop overeating and binging at night. End the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.